Hello, I want to talk for a few minutes about Fastcall in Lightning. Lightning has an application menu here, and these are the applications. So this is what Salesforce calls the app launcher, and these are all set up as applications. Let's find an app or item here in the app launcher. Now we have Fastcall set up as really an example here in the app launcher. You'll see that there's sales, which you're probably familiar with, and that's probably a pretty good. Well, we'll start. Let's start here. So I'm in the fast call application here, and then you see in the footer, Salesforce considers the phone a utility. So you're adding the phone as a utility in the Lightning app, which is really unique in Lightning and doesn't really have a corresponding setup in Classic. But you're only going to see utilities that are added in the application. So if we come back into the app launcher and move over to sales, um, we are launching a new app and we have the phone here because we added it to sales. So you want to do one of two things. Either you want to work in an app, tell the user you should be working in an app that has the utility already added, or you're going to go in and you're going to add that utility. So I would go into setup and I'm going to type app here, app. Okay, so I'm going to look for, I think it's the app manager, and these are all the apps. So go to the fast call app. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go to edit. It's over here, the edit, and you'll see my details. The options are up here, utility bar. So in the utility bar, and you'll see there's some items to add to the utility bar, and phone is added. And if not, you come in here and you say, add. And there are other things you can add here as well. I don't know much about it, but you would add phone. Matter of fact, if we type phone, once the phone is added, there's an icon. There's some. We leave all this. Typically, we leave all this to default. Um, Actually, I could remove that. So I removed it. Now there's no phone. I can come in here. You can see what it looks like. I just type in phone. Um, and there it is. It's called OpenCTI Softphone. Good. And then it's added, and we just left all this here. We saved, and then your phone is in the phone, which was added as a utility to the utility bar in Lightning, so that you could see it in that particular app, which again doesn't really have a corresponding setup in Classic. So this is kind of uniquely something that you do in Lightning.